What's good? Today we'll be looking into a generative AI project where we'll be generating images with Stable Diffusion XDXL and Comfy UI, and then manipulating the images with Matplotlib and Python. It's a pretty straightforward project and should only take a few minutes to describe. Check it out. So to even be able to pull this off, you're going to want to make sure that you have Comfy UI installed. You can clone that from the Git repository. Once you have that, you can just go into your Comfy UI folder, make sure that you're in a virtual environment, and you should be able to start up Comfy UI with Python 3.11 main.py. Then the final step is to pass a prompt into it, and it's basically going to generate me 4 images this time around, but I'm going to generate 4 black and white images and then manipulate them with Matplotlib and add a color map to them. That's basically the full project.